eyebrows on fleek.
Girl, stop. The only thing on fleek is your weight.
And then, of course, there's Donald Trump. Donald Trump has been saying that he will run for president as a Republican, which is surprising since I just assumed he was running as a joke.
Your mama's so fat. All the McDonald's food are gone.
He may have just turned 21, but Justin will always be a baby to me, since babies piss everywhere and never know when to shut the fuck up.
Lips look like you kissed a hot pipe. Did you kiss a powdered donut?
Did you kiss a dick?
I'm listening to what you're saying, but I only hear what I want to.
That's just called being a woman.
What's your report card looking like?
Oh, B's for bitchy.
A lot of people work really, really hard for their dreams, but it's not meant for everybody.
That's why you use auto-tune and I don't.
Can't tie your shoes?
I can't tie my shoes, but I can fuck your bitch.
You want me in your face? Think about it.
You think about it.
I lost my dad on 9/11, and I always regretted growing up without a dad. Until I met your dad.
So Justin's fans are called beliebers because these days it's considered politically incorrect to use the term retards.
Martha, thanks for coming. I know that's probably something you don't do much of anymore.
You know what? I'm about to say it. Say it. I don't care that you broke your elbow.
Take that pile of filth out. You shouldn't talk about Squidward like that.